Hi there! This video explains how to replace the rear wiper blade in a Skoda Octavia Mk2 Hatchback. I'll show you how to remove the old blade, how to purchase the correct type of replacement and how to fit it. That should cover everything? Yeah. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right. Here's how to replace the rear wiper blade on a Skoda Octavia Mk2 Hatchback. To get started, lift the wiper arm off the window like this. Next, twist the blade to form the letter T. Now note this locking pin. It has to be released before you can remove the blade. To do so, slide it in the direction of this arrow like this. Finally, pull the wiper blade away from the arm. Now, when you buy a new rear wiper blade, I wouldn't automatically accept the recommendation of the supplier. Suppliers have suggested wrong blades to me on multiple occasions. So, check the recommendation against the old blade and ensure there's a match. Check the length, for example. The one on the car in this video is 400mm and that seems to be typical of the Octavia Mk2 Hatchback, but check your particular car to be certain. Also make sure that the new blade has the correct type of locking pin. Ow. Let's now fit the new rear wiper blade to this Skoda Octavia Mk2 Hatchback. First, note this tubular bar on the tip of the wiper arm. Now note this corresponding cutout on the blade. Push the bar into the cutout like this. Next, slide the locking pin in the direction of the arrow until it cannot move any further. Now, push the wiper arm and blade back onto the window and confirm everything works. And that's it. That's how to fit a new rear wiper blade to the Skoda Octavia Mk2 Hatchback. Oh, there is one important thing I forgot to mention though. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there's lots more interesting content to come. I can wait while you press the button. Have you done it? Good. I'll see you next time.